Hello my beautiful viewers and subscriber. Today I'm going to make some green banana and salt mackerel, and right over here I have all of my vegetable already cut up and my salt mackerel boiled out all of the salt. So now I'm going to get into the process of cooking my banana. Now I'm going to add my banana to my pot. So now guys, I'm going to prepare my salt mackerel. I'm going to add my onions, my bell pepper, different colors, tomato, good old scotch bonnet, and some chopped up garlic. Some pimento, the black pepper, guys. My food is finished, so now I'm going to taste. Nice, very nice. Guys, very delicious.